So we're about to head out for a walk, Gabriel and I. We got pretty bored and didn't feel like doing anything intense, like any intense workout. So I decided I was gonna go for a walk, and bam, Gabriel came home just when I was about to do that. So we're gonna go around that area. It's University Place, and it's around the area where we went to the park at. So see you guys then. Okay, so I'm about to get headed out, and it's raining, unfortunately. Here, Okay, so I'm about to get headed out, and right now my camera needs to focus. When it focuses, it's raining. It's raining outside, so let me get my door locked. Sorry. There was a spider that was around here. Okay, and it's locked. There goes Gabo. Hi, Gabo.
Hey, baby. How are you?
I'm okay.
Awesome. Did you lock the door right?
Yeah, I did. I went back and grabbed my key. Can't believe it's raining. Gonna have to ruin my hair.
There was like freaking glass like all over ready to walk.
Really?
Throw away the garbage. I need to step my day.
Ooh. It's pretty.
So pretty. Oh, so pretty.
Okay, Bo. I'm talking about the water. Oh no. But you're pretty too.
You're pretty too, Spanish. You're beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah. That's a couple still.
Coming on down here to take a walk. Okay, it's really windy, so you're not gonna be able to hear me. You're gonna hear a bunch of but it's very pretty outside. And very cold. I'm not enjoying this weather. No. It's cold. Pretty. Gabo. I'm going crazy. It's just cold. Those waves are going crazy.
What you going crazy, baby?
The waves. If it wasn't so windy, I'd film more of this experience. But you're gonna just hear a bunch of the wind and not be happy. I want you guys to be happy. Like Gabo happy.
Okay.
They're animals, that's what they are. Look at those animals.
They're birds. Birds are not animals. Birds are not animals.
So, eating a chicken is vegan, right? Guys, we found something interesting. Well, it's a good thing we're only looking at it. This is where people get killed at.
No, babe.
Or even worse, they get trapped down there and then they get killed. Well, I mean, that's probably better because you get to live longer, but yeah. Everything, look at that. Okay. All of those logs. Look at this beautiful water. I don't want to get too close because I don't want to lose my phone, guys. Water's pretty high. Pretty high. Like Gable. Gable's high. Probably right now. Look at that model down there.